Hi guys, my name is Priscilla and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to protect and restore a damaged skin barrier. Now, this is actually very personal to me because the entire reason I even started my own skincare journey was because I was dealing with damaged skin, specifically on my chin. So in today's video, I'm going to be letting you guys know some of the tips and tricks that I did that really did an amazing job at helping to restore my skin. And I'm also going to let you guys know what were some of the products that I used at the time, as well as some products that I discovered later on in the future that I feel like can be amazing for people that are dealing with a compromised skin barrier. Now, let's get started. First and foremost, how do you even know whether or not your skin is compromised? So some of the most common examples are you may be experiencing things like sensitivity, you may be dealing with dryness, you may have patchy skin, flaky skin, you can even be dealing with excessive acne. So when you're looking for products, try to look for products that have ingredients that are really well studied and ingredients that are known to help restore the skin's barrier. So some of the most common ingredients that are known to do that are things like ceramides, peptides, shea butter, things like panthenol. Those are all amazing ingredients that are great at either trapping in hydration, making sure your skin is maintaining a proper hydration moisture balance. Overall, ingredients that are just known to strengthen the skin's barrier. So the very first product that I want to mention to you guys is a classic staple. Everyone already knows what this is. This is the Cerave Hydrating Facial Cleanser, and everyone and their mother already knows about this product. It is so hyped on the internet, and for good reason. This is a really solid, staple, gentle, and hydrating cleanser. The highlighted ingredients in this product include hyaluronic acid, and it also has 3 essential ceramides, and ceramides are essentially fatty acids or lipids that do an amazing job at helping to protect and restore the skin's overall health. I really like this product because of the consistency. It literally just feels like you're washing your face with a lightweight lotion, which is so interesting. I've never experienced a texture like this specifically in a cleanser, but I feel like this is just a really solid cleansing product to use on your face. I feel like some people may not really notice it, but sometimes cleansers can be the most stripping and drying step in your entire skincare routine. So using something that's just very hydrating and gentle and overall gets the job done is something that you want to look for, especially when you're already dealing with sensitive and compromised skin. The next product that I want to talk about is this goodie right here. This is the Pyunkang Essence Toner, and this is a Korean brand. What's really interesting about this brand is that it was actually created by a Korean medicinal clinic, specifically treating people that have skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. So obviously, they have to use formulations that are very gentle yet effective for the skin. The highlighted ingredient in this product is something called astragalus root extract, and that extract not only has amazing benefits for your overall body, but specifically for your skin, it's known to help speed up the recovery time of wounds. And if you guys remember something that I mentioned a little bit earlier in this video, I mentioned that if you're dealing with excessive acne, that can be a sign that your skin's microbiome might be a bit damaged. Sometimes acne can lead to acne scarring. So you want to use something that is calming, that's soothing, and of course, something that is there to speed up the recovery time of wounds is absolutely amazing. So I would definitely recommend it for people that are dealing with a lot of acne. Also, what I really appreciate about this product as well is that it has a very short ingredients list. I think there's only about 10 or so ingredients in this product. Sometimes if you're using a product that has 50 plus ingredients, all it takes is just one of those ingredients that does not react well to your skin, and then boom, you can have flare-ups, you can have redness. So sometimes, especially if you're just starting out on your skincare journey, it can be very beneficial to use a product like this that has a very short and simple ingredients list. Now, this product is actually very, very nostalgic for me. I'm going to be talking about Klairs, and this is their fundamental watery oil drop, which has Such a unique name because obviously water and oil do not mix. But dear Klairs was one of the first Korean skincare brands that I ever tried out. And oh my goodness, I so much so enjoy using this serum. I remember specifically using it mainly during my nighttime skincare routine. Like I would use a vitamin C serum in the morning more than likely, and I feel like I would go in with this during my nighttime routine. And the best word that I can to describe this serum is literally just nourishing. This product does contain ceramide. There's also some peptides in here, and it also has bifidoferment extract, and that extract is very well studied, and it is known to, again, help to restore and strengthen, repair the skin's barrier, which is something that honestly we all need, even if your skin's barrier is not damaged. And so this product in general, I feel like is just wonderful. The texture of this, it's so unique. The consistency is so unique. And I just feel like overall, this does an amazing job at really just deeply nourishing the skin. And that's something that I look for morning and night, but especially during my nighttime skincare routine. This is nourishment in a bottle. I definitely recommend this product. Moving on to number 4, we have a product that I already mentioned in my last video. This is the P.Calm Cato Cream, and this product surprisingly made it into my top 5 favorite Korean skincare products that I discovered this year in 2024. This has been one of my favorite moisturizers this year because there are ceramides in here. It has, I believe, there's niacinamide up in here. Oh yes, it is. And it's actually quite high up in the ingredients list, which I definitely appreciate. But overall, this is just a really nice and effective go-to moisturizer. I have oily, dehydrated prone skin, so typically I go for moisturizers that are a bit like a hybrid of a gel and a cream. This one is a little bit thicker than what I'm used to, but again, specifically during the nighttime skincare routine, this feels so wonderful on the skin. It does an amazing job at moisturizing the skin, and it's just a really nice, easy reach moisturizer. If you're dealing with flakiness or patchiness, I would recommend going in with a moisturizer like this and then maybe putting some Vaseline on top of it to really try and make sure you're keeping in that hydration and nourishment that you added in your skincare routine a little bit earlier. This product is just really, it has such an amazing consistency. I love the texture of this, and it just sits very well on the skin overall. And now finally, I'm going to tell you guys one of my favorite skincare products of all time. It is this right here. This is from a Japanese brand, and this is their Biore UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence PA+++++. And this has been a staple in my skincare routine for the last 3+ years. The texture, the consistency of this product is absolutely amazing. It almost looks like a primer or acts like a primer on the skin. It sits so well underneath makeup, and this is just a solid product. Guys, it is so important whether it is the winter time, whether it's cloudy outside, even if it's snowing, whatever the weather is, you have to make sure that you are wearing some type of sunscreen, specifically something that has an SPF of at least a SPF 30, like at least stick around that range. Now, when it comes to the sun, I love the sun so much. You know, the sun does so many wonderful beneficial things for our planet, for us as well. However, the sun can absolutely be damaging for the skin if you are not properly using an SPF. So if you are someone that's going out consistently or you're sitting in front of a window consistently, make sure you are using your sunscreen. Make sure you use it every single day. It's very important. For those of us that like to use vitamin C serums, vitamin C is known to make the skin a little bit more sensitive to the sun. So definitely make sure you're going in with a sunscreen. But without a doubt, everyone needs to be using sunscreen, but especially the people that are already dealing with a damaged skin barrier. A sunscreen is just absolutely, it is a necessity for your skincare routine. And this is one that I feel so comfortable recommending to you guys. I cannot tell you guys how many times I have purchased this amazing, like this amazing product. So that is going to be the end of my video, and I had so much fun making this with the exception of all of the fire trucks and the ambulances and the construction that was going out right outside my window. It was so crazy, but I still had so much fun making this video for you guys, and so I hope that you stay tuned because I have so much more fun content coming for you guys in the future. Now, my goal is to get 100 subscribers by the end of this year, so if you want to help make that happen, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, like the video to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment down below. I'm very open to taking video recommendations. And also do not forget to hit the bell for notifications so that you guys can see when I post my very next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye guys.